Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the Backtap gesture on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So first of all, we're gonna go to the settings. Here we need to scroll down and go to additional settings, and we need to open gesture shortcuts. And over here we will find Backtap. We can set double tap back to do something. Let's say we can launch the calculator, and we can also enable a gesture for triple tap back. So let's say this time we're gonna take a screenshot. And now in order to perform the tap back, we need to simply double tap or triple tap the back of our phone with our finger. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate how it looks like. So first I'm gonna show you that it works. There we go, I just double tapped, and let's tap 3 times. Sometimes you have to be pretty rapid with it. And at the same time, you cannot be really that gentle, because if you just gently double tap, then nothing happens. And what I'm doing is I'm tapping this side over here with my finger, and I do it something like this. And as you can see, it opened the calculator. So I'm gonna show you from this side as well. One more time. There we go. It was quite awkward to double tap like so, but as you can see, it works just fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!